Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day number 4 of this whole glitter challenge. Can we get an amen? Can we get a hooray? I'm doing like a makeup challenge because I don't like glitter. Me and glitter are just not friends, so I decided to challenge myself to use glitter to do multiple makeup look. Just one more day of this makeup challenge. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not, thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. And before you do anything, I just want you to just take one moment, just 1 minute or 1 second, just to hit that subscription button and also the notification button so you can see more videos when I do upload them. Now if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. I do makeup, I do fashion, not much of it, but I do makeup, and I'm trying to get into a lot of more stuff like technical videos and DIY videos and all that stuff. So just stay tuned. I'm working there. I'm making my way there. I will get there. But anyway, just make sure you hit that subscription button. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, good stuff. And if you do like this video, even if you don't like this video, just make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, all that good stuff. And if you're new, I like dabbing, so but anyway, without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Thank you. So I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. It is called Boardwalk Boozin'. So I really love this colors, especially for summer, for spring. Is very appropriate. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette today. For my first transition color, I'm going to be using this very pink color. It is super pink. I'm going to be using this all over my crease. Look at how pink it is. Okay, so after blending that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this blue color, and I'm gonna use a different blending brush, and I'm gonna be dipping in this blue color right here. It is super pigmented, but it has a lot of fallout. However, it's very pigmented. Definitely want to start little and not pack so much, so that way it will be a lot easier for you to blend out. So I'm going to be using a different palette today. I'm going to go in with this straight blending brush, and I'm using this Profusion natural eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be dipping in that black eyeshadow. It is called Nightlife. So I actually did a review on this palette. It's a really nice warm color palette. If you want to see the video, I'm going to leave the cards somewhere here or on my description bar, so just go check it out after you finish watching this video, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go in with that this color. It's a really black color, and I'm gonna place that right in the center of my my lid or my crease, whichever one you want to call it. So I'm gonna place that right there, and we are going to blend all the way in and out. Second transition color, that's what I'm going to use to go back and blend it out. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the blue, and I'm going to go right in and kind of blend out any harsh line. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm going to be using this Nicka K HD concealer, and this is in sepia. And I'm going to go ahead and use this Profusion eyebrow brush. I'm going to dip in this gray color right here. Okay, so now that you see that that step wasn't really necessary, we can just move on to the next step. So for the next step, I'm gonna be going ahead and apply the glitter, and I'm of course using the ucanbe glitter. This look is actually number 4, so we have one more to go, guys. Oh my god, look at that glitter. Yeah, I really didn't want to have a wing liner, but I think I'm actually going to go ahead and apply a wing liner, and see how like I just went from this idea to that idea. This is definitely what I had planned, but we're gonna roll with it, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to apply this white pencil in my inner water line. I think that's what you call it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm gonna take this blue color. Oh, that is a lot. Look at that. And I'm gonna apply this on the bottom of my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Beauty Benefit mascara, and I'm mascara. I'm gonna place this on the bottom of my lash and on the top of my lash. Be using this palette is the Nicka K Duo Contour Powder, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite brushes to contour, which is this Profusion Contour Brush. I really love it. It's so soft. I really love it. So while this is baking, I'm going to go ahead and apply this LA Color blush as my blush. And this is Toast. I'm going to go ahead and set my face, and I'm using this Clean Color Setting Spray. It looks horrible right now, but while my face is setting, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lipstick. Go ahead and use this lip color, but first I'm going to apply a black lip pencil. No! Why did you fall? So after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lipstick. Okay, so after that, now I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight, of course. And I'm going to be using this Profusion highlighter. I've been loving this highlighter. I've been using it all week. Don't judge me. So I'm going to go ahead and use cotton candy. Just because I'm feeling a little yummy today. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really actually gained something from this video. I know I kind of changed what I was trying to do a little bit, but it's okay, because that's how things work. You might have a idea in your mind, but then along the way you change it. Is okay, as long as you know, make it to the end. But this is my final look. This is what I got. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, you know, support your sister. And I'm gonna leave a review for this glitter, so make sure you check it out. I'm also gonna leave the other look that I did create, or the challenges, so make sure you check that out. But anyway guys, thank you so much. Bye.